how to remove watermark from any PDF. So as you can see the watermark in the PDF, I'm going to show you how to remove it 100% without paying anything, for totally free. Okay, so let's go right into it. What that you have to do is simply go to Google, and then from the Google search, come and then search for Light PDF watermark remover. Okay, just like this one, Light PDF watermark remover, and then hit enter. So when it comes, simply come here to where we have the official site of Light PDF, and then come and then select it. It's going to bring you right here to their website. Okay, where you can remove your watermark from any PDF for totally free. Okay, what I have to do is simply come here to where it says select files, and then come and click on it, and then here come and select the PDF that you want to remove the watermark from. Okay, and then come and click on the open. Okay, so when you click on the open, you will see that the PDF is uploading just like this one, and you have seen that the PDF has been uploaded. Simply come here to where it says remove watermark, and then come and click on it. Okay, and simply give it time for it to remove the watermark for you. So as you can see, the PDF is now ready, and then we can simply download it. Okay, so from here where we have download PDF file, simply come and then click on it. Okay, and all that you have to do is simply sign up if you haven't signed up already by clicking on sign up now. Here, all that you have to do is that you can sign up with your Google account, or you can put in your email manually. You come and then set a password, okay, a strong password I recommend, and then simply come and then click on sign up. Okay, so let me put in my email address right here, and then what you have to do is to simply get a verification code by simply coming to click on send, and they will send you a verification code right into your email. So as you can see, they have sent us a verification code, and then let's open it. So this is the code. Let's right click on the code, highlight it, and then copy it. Okay, so after copying the code, what you have to do is simply come and then paste it right here, and then the next thing that you have to do is to simply set your password. Okay, so let me set a strong password. After that, simply come here to where it says sign up, and then come and click on the sign up. Great, and we are good to go. And as you can see from here, our PDF has downloaded successfully. What that you have to do is simply come here to the folder icon where it says show in folder, and then click on it. And then our PDF is going to be displayed just like this one. Let's right click on it and then open it. And you have seen that the watermark has been removed successfully. So if you have any questions, leave in the comment down below. Like the video, and then see you in my next video.